In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Slack app on a mobile phone. If you want to stay connected with your team while you're away from your computer, Slack on mobile makes that really easy. You'll be able to check channels, read direct messages, receive notifications, and keep up with conversations right from your phone. I'll walk you through the process for both iPhone and Android, and then I'll show you how to sign in once the app is installed. If you're using an iPhone, start by unlocking your device and going to your home screen. Look for the App Store icon and tap it to open. Once you're inside the App Store, go to the Search tab in the lower right corner. Tap the search bar at the top, type Slack, and then tap Search on your keyboard. In the results, find the official Slack app. It should be listed as Slack from the official publisher. Tap the download button or tap Get if that's what you see. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device password. After that, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. When it's finished, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Slack. If you're using an Android phone, begin by unlocking your phone and opening your app drawer if needed. Find the Play Store and tap to open it. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar and type Slack. Then tap the search or enter button on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Slack app by recognizing the familiar Slack logo. Tap install, and your phone will start downloading and installing the app. You may see a progress indicator while this happens, so just give it a moment. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app. After the app opens on either device, tap Sign In. You'll then choose how you want to access your account. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple if that option appears on your device, or choose to receive a magic link by email. Follow the sign-in method you prefer, then complete the authentication process. Once you're signed in, your workspace, channels, and message history should begin loading onto the screen. That's it. Slack is now installed and ready to use on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.